Hey guys, it's Mr. Lilly here, and I'm going to read you a story called The Breaking News, written and illustrated by Sarah Lynn Reel. Okay, so here's the front illustrations. I want you to think about what's going on in the world right now when I'm reading this, and I want you to think about, give me a silent connect if any of these things are happening in your life too. And so it's called The Breaking News. I remember when we heard the bad news. Breaking news is on the TV. Parents are looking concerned. Suddenly, Mom is glued to the television. Dad can't stop checking his phone. Look at their faces. They're sad. They whisper, and I pretend not to hear. It is more than a little scary. Mom forgets to tuck me in. Dad is too tired for bedtime stories. It seems like everyone else feels it too. Look at the picture, it's kind of gray and gloomy looking. At school, my teacher says to look for the helpers. Even when the news is bad, you can still find good people trying to make things better in big and small ways. I want to help in a big way. I decide to put on the funniest show ever to make everyone laugh again. But the grown-ups don't feel like laughing. I tell them about the force fields I'll invent to keep us all safe, but their smiles are tiny and sad. Here's the force field. I try to be on my best behavior all the time, to be so good, but they hardly even notice. I think maybe there's nothing I can do to help in a big way. I feel small. So maybe I can try to do just one small thing. And maybe another, and another, and one more. So she's doing everything she can to do her part to help out, even if it's just small, even if it's not a big thing. Small things don't solve everything. The bad news is still there, after all. Look at the illustrations. What do you see about that? There's one place in this whole town right now that's lit up. But then again, so are we. So all these small things that she's doing to help out, they all add up. It may seem like not much at first, but when you add all those little things up to stay positive, look at the community now. Look at this illustration. So they were gloomy, it was dark, and now it's starting to light up some. So I guess, if you think that some of this stuff can relate to you, think about what can you do to do something small to make a difference, to help out when the world needs positivity. Thank you for your time.